Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Crispy, crunchy, spicy mixed veg vada, the South Indian delight. But more important than that, why and how to remove uric acid causing purines from these lentils. Now take split black gram lentil or urad dal and soak in warm water and remove the scum. Leave undisturbed for 2 to 8 hours. Now take boiled corn, add to a blender, garden fresh green peas, again add to a blender, garden fresh carrot, chop and add to the blender again, garden fresh green cabbage, chop and add to the blender. Now when done, garden fresh green chili as per as your taste, chop and add to the blender. Cilantro or parsley, again add to the blender. Garden fresh capsicum, chop and add to the blender and blend into a thick paste. Set aside. This is how it should be. Now remove the scum and rinse 3 or 4 times. Why? Because this scum contains purines which breaks down during the process of digestion to form uric acid crystals which cause uric acid, gout, arthritis and are bad for kidneys and heart too. And now take a blender and let's blend the dal to a coarse, thickish finish. There, that is what it should look like. This is the consistency. It has to be thickish. Now add semolina or suri, rice flour, baking powder and salt, any natural salt. Now mix well. Really well. This is how it should be now. Now add the vegetable or garam masala, mango powder and mix again. When done, now add the mix vegetable paste that we had made and mix well, really well. When done, now place a large blob of batter on the palm of your hand and with the index finger make a hole like we do in donuts and very slowly, very carefully place these raw vadas now into the hot oil. And remember, don't overcrowd, otherwise they will stick to each other. Now when the color changes, flip the vada, all of them, one by one. Look, they have become firmer, a little crisp on the bottom side. Continue to flip vadas occasionally, continuously, and flip both the sides are evenly cooked and both are evenly colored, evenly crisp and evenly crunchy. Continue to do so and bring out the vada. Hold over the kadai to allow the excess of oil to drip back instead of wasting it on tissue papers. That was the trick, remember? Our Nani and Dadis used to do. So no wastage of oil. The oil drifts back. Plate the crispy, crunchy, spicy mixed veg vadas with coconut chutney or any chutney or sauce of your choice. And remember to enjoy with all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.